Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll teach you a very simple Valentine's Day card which is very easy to follow, and I'm sure you will love once you done completing it. So let's go ahead and quickly check out the supplies. So I'm using my Canson Montville watercolor paper. This is 300 GSM. I will not be stretching this, so I'll be using this dry paper directly, and with that the size of this paper is 6 inches by 9 inches. So I've taken one of the sheets and I have folded it into half so that it becomes a card that you can keep it on your desk like this. And with a pencil, I'm just outlining the space where I'll be putting in the message. And with that, with my watercolor palette and number 4 brush, I'll begin making the flowers. So it's pretty self-explanatory. You will be able to follow it. So enjoy the music and continue making the card. So guys, wasn't this a very easy tutorial for you to follow? I hope you surprise your loved one this Valentine's Day with your handmade special card. And if you make this, do tag me on Instagram at Easy Paintings by Ishita. I would love to see it. So I hope you enjoyed today's quick tutorial and you hit the like button and consider subscribing. So see you soon with another tutorial on the same channel. Have a lovely day guys, and wish you a very, very, very happy Valentine's Day. Bye bye.